Hey guys, DMS here. Today I have for you an unboxing. It's been a minute since I did one of these, and right after this video I actually have a big announcement about both the future of the channel and some stuff I'm doing, but for now, let's check this out. I actually have two headphones here. This is the Diana PHI, and I also have the Diana, both from Abyss. Now, I did actually already open these, so I know what's inside, but I haven't really ruined it for you guys yet, and they're packaged the same way I got them. I just couldn't help but listen to them the moment I got them here. So, here is the actual inner packaging. This is pretty sweet. This is a really well-made bag. It's got the Abyss logo on the side with Diana there. Feels a lot like, well, you can see the texture of it. It's reasonably coarse, and it feels like it would be pretty resilient. Nothing about this feels cheap. And opening the bag, we can see the headphones themselves right inside here with a bit of foam to help keep them in place so they're not moving around. And let's move this container out of the way. I just bumped my head on my camera, so it may have moved a little bit, but it's fine. So this is the Diana PHI, not to be confused with the Diana. This actually shares a similar driver. I believe they said the same driver as the AB1266TC, which is pretty sweet. The pads come off magnetically, and you can see these are made in the United States. The adjustment method on the side is just a little click up and down. And interestingly enough, I have been told and experienced that they don't actually have to seal on your head, which I find very interesting. And I've got one more box. I'll open that and bring that up here also. Now these were packaged the exact same way, but you can see it's a different color. And these are the normal Diana, not the Diana PHI. The construction is extremely similar, as you can see here. But the Diana PHI currently are only available in one color. I've noticed that the pads are slightly different between these headphones. If you look at the Diana PHI, the pad is a little bit thicker and kind of comes into contact more with the side of my head, whereas these seem to touch the top of my ear just a little bit. So the headphones are built slightly different and definitely have sonic differences as well. I know that was a super short video, but that was a really quick unboxing of the Diana and the Diana PHI. Now they both came with cables, but the cables were in the side of the box in packaging like this. So that was just a quick bit of content. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys stick around and check out my big announcement coming out as my next video, hopefully. So I'll see you guys then. Until the next one. Peace.